Helping guys be at their best is what we do. We know that shaving is not necessarily what guys look forward to every morning. In fact, guys go to great lengths to make their shave a better experience.
We know that heat and warmth are constant variables in that search for a better shave. Consumers tell us that the epitome of a shaving experience is a hot towel shave. It's something that only a few guys are able to indulge in once in a while.
That's why we're introducing our first heated razor. A razor that makes the comfort of a hot towel shave accessible to guys every morning.
We've traveled the world and immersed ourselves in the culture of heat and warmth. We've also learned how these sensations are applied in an intentional way to create indulgent experiences. Heat has an extensive history in personal care. It helps to reduce the effects of pain, it increases blood flow. The warming bar heats up in less than a second and distributes an even and soothing warmth to the skin.
The 4 intelligent heat sensors continuously reheat the warming bar to maintain a safe and consistent temperature.
Gillette has pioneered some major shaving innovations that we had the opportunity to incorporate into this razor. Flex disc technology, which helps to maintain skin contact in order to give a smooth shave, but also to maximize the heat delivery.
We designed the razor to be waterproof so you can even use it in the shower. The magnetic charging stand makes sure it's easily accessible and always charged.
We want to bring the product to consumers much earlier than we have done traditionally, so that we can incorporate the early feedback into this new platform and ensure that we are delivering an elevated grooming experience.
Gillette Labs is all about reinventing the experience of shaving. And heat is just the beginning.